Let's see how to enable Developer tab in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, the Developer tab is by default not enabled in Microsoft Word, and it contains many different features that you can use to further enhance your document. And first, to enable our Developer tab, we can click on the File tab. Now click on Options. And from here, click on Customize ribbon. And make sure that you have this Developer checkbox checked right here. Now click on OK, and you will find that the Developer tab is now available in your ribbon. Now click on that, and here you can see a lot of different features that were there before. So you can add different fields, you can add checkboxes, you can add drop-down lists, and so many more. And that is how you can enable the Developer tab in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.